is in trouble. Our country is in a panic mode. We have one leader spending sleepless nights to take us out of this misery. It's late at night. It's cold outside. We hear a funny noise. Who is there? We are in crisis. Who is there? I'm Thomas. Thomas. What do you want, Thomas? Is there a doctor there? Are you a doctor? Thomas. There's a Thomas in everything. There's a Thomas everywhere. Thomas.